In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if Microsoft Edge is not making any sounds or it's not allowing for any audio to play. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I recommend doing would be to right-click on the tab you're having the problem with in Microsoft Edge and make sure if it says mute tab or unmute tab, you want to make sure it's not muted. So go ahead and select unmute tab if it says that. If it says mute tab when you right click on it, that means it's not currently muted. So again, I'd recommend checking that out. Something else, you want to make sure your system tray volume is turned on as well. Make sure that's turned up. And if you open up the search menu and type in settings, best match, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, you want to select the sound. And then make sure volume again is turned up. And if you want to go and select versus choose where to play sound, you might have multiple devices connected to your computer. Make sure you have the correct one selected here. And if audio is set to don't allow, make sure you select allow here. So that means it is an active device and it can be used to play audio. So pretty straightforward on that end as well. And if you're still having a problem, you can go into find the setting and just search for troubleshoot and select troubleshoot settings and select other troubleshooters and select where it says underneath most frequent playing audio and then the run button that corresponds to it. And I recommend following along with any prompts that it gives you. And again, that should hopefully be one further thing you can take a look into as well. And go underneath privacy and security and then underneath Windows permissions on the right side, you want to scroll down. And then underneath app permissions, go down and you want to select microphone. Make sure microphone access is turned on. And then if you see Microsoft Edge in this list as well, go ahead and make sure that's toggled on. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.